Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hoping you have enjoyed my previous chapter about the underrated dummy plan 50mm f2.8, which was my own first experience. That lens is atmospheric, glossy and dreamy, worth having when seeking that mood without post-processing. I like it too. I went surfing the Meyer site, seeking any interesting updates when I found they are introducing the new Primitars 58mm and 75mm, both of them under production, currently accepting order requests. New Trio Plan 100mm, Primo Plan 75mm, 58mm were revived by Meyer. Those predecessor lenses were already shown on this channel its attraction. The main reason those lenses be revived. Leaded 30mm was revived too, which means that lens was an icon and now you can own it. Being motivated to get to know how wonderful that lens is, I went to Mastercon asking if he has any copy of that lens, and I was lucky enough to get one. Mastercon was also gentle enough to show me 4 Meyer lenses he has in his shop, and I briefly introduce you. They are the Primotar 135mm, Telemegor 155mm, Telemegor 180mm, Orestogor 200mm. The base of the Orestogor is a factory adapter ring. The outside is an exacto mount. Unscrew it is an M42 mount. They are derived from triplets, meaning the glass configuration is assembled by 3 lenses and an extension tube, like the Trio Plan 100 f2.8. You may think they are pretty slow and how good it will be. Well, let's go for a fast trip.